To my dearly loved and handsome tatay. A pleasant, happy Hearts Day to you, Tay. You and Nanay are one of a kind, caring and loving parents. To speak these words to you is a definite hard task to me. I feel very inconvenient telling you things like this. Anyhow, I am given this opportunity to be honest and limpid for some moment. I do wish that upon seeing this, you'll realize how a father you have been to us. Tay, I love you so much. It's great that I've been able to say it to you right now. You know how much I really wanted that to be said in front of you, but I'm always dominated by shyness. You know what, Tay? Perhaps because I've never heard before that you had spoken that words to your children. But it doesn't matter to me, for I believe how you love us is immeasurable and invaluable. Truly, action speaks louder than words. By how much you love us unconditionally is merely evident. Tatay, thank you for everything, for the things you had given us, for the whips and hurtful words you had inflicted to us. It did help us to be better individuals. Solely speaking, the word blessed and thankful I am with my brothers and sisters is profoundly inadequate to express how great it is to have you in our lives. For all the lessons you taught, the love you give, the care, and the way you molded us is amazingly, differently good. Tay, I'll never forget this line. Kay amo itunhaim, kadamuhing kurso na pwede ning piliun. Asya ito timuging kuha. Karuyag mo man ada ito. Karudsigon lauday, kaya mo ito. You had spoken to me the day I told you how difficult the road I'm trudging in my studies. Knowing the fact way back then that you hated the most that we spent time to school, it is very unbelievable to hear those kind of words and to know you have concern at our studies. It was a very fantastic day. Thanks, Tatay. You were the light to guide me out of despair. Tay, sorry for the bad things I've done. It's just that sometimes I can't handle the way you treat Nanay. I really am trying to understand the fact that if you two don't fight every day, you are not my parents. I do believe it is your own way to show how you love and care us. Please, Tatay, don't let us believe that the latter is just a dream.
Ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Lahat ibibigay, lahat gagawin mo. Ganyan lagi ikaw sa anak mo. Lahat ng buti niya ang laging hangad
Tay,
mo.
don't ever forget our deal. When I graduate and become a certified public accountant, we're gonna cook and eat all your roasters. I'm sharply looking forward to that.
Dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo. Ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo.
Happy Valentine's Day, Tatay.
Ganyan ang tulad mo.
I love you so much. I am so proud that you are my father. Yours truly, That.